Hi, I hope everyone's having a great day today. My name is John with Greenlight Property Management, and today we are here at 5916 Hilltop Drive in Watauga, Texas. The zip code for this property is 76148. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's approximately 1,347 square feet. Here's the layout of the front yard. As you can see, very nice home here. Good sized yard. Sorry for the glare of the sun there. Good sized driveway here, as you can see. And this is actually a pretty decent area here in Watauga. The homes, as you can see, the yards are kind of, they're very upkept, and everyone keeps it nice and clean here in this neighborhood. So very, very nice. Wanted to mention, as you can see here, good sized garage. I would say easily a 2-car garage here. Now, if you have bigger SUVs, might change a little bit, but for the most part, this is definitely a 2-car garage. So we'll check out the inside when we go in here in a sec, but let's go on up and check out here. We kind of have a patio area here, a porch area. Nothing too crazy, but you do kind of have the ability to come out here, set some chairs up, and really just enjoy being outside and being on the porch. So aside from that, let's go on in and check everything out. You'll notice when we walk in here, there has been some recent updates. So as you can see, we have some new vinyl plank there, and here is kind of the entry area. Let me turn us around, close the front door, and turn us around here. So this is the entry. This is what it looks like from the other side of the front door. We do have a storage closet here, very easily accessible, good storage, very basic. But then you turn us around here and we have the living room. Very good size. As you can see, the ceilings are raised, and we actually have an area up here we'll show in a sec where you can put decorations, pictures, that sort of thing. But as you can see, very spacious, open floor plan here. As you see, it flows right into the dining area. You got a beautiful fireplace here with that kind of white stone. Let's turn this around here. As you can kind of see that area I was talking about a second ago here. But very, very beautiful home. The wood floors go very well with the color of the walls. It's kind of a gray. And it's a very beautiful recessed lights here in the living room too. So here we have the dining room. As you can see, it's pretty good sized dining room. You kind of have a nook area here, good sized window here for the back porch. But as you can see, good sized dining room here, ceiling fan and everything. And it flows, as you see here, right into the kitchen. I love this kitchen. The cabinets are bare, but they have been updated over the last couple of years. They just need to be painted essentially. But as you can see here, nice cabinets, lots of good space for a pantry, food and stuff like that. As you see here, updated sink, very nice, kind of that black. And it flows and goes well with all of the stainless steel appliances that you kind of see here. We'll start off here with the refrigerator. Very nice fridge here. Very, very new. As you see, we have a double door set here for fridge and freezer. So very nice here. And then turn us on around here. As you can see, we have kind of a double-decker dishwasher here. Very, very nice. Over here we have our glass top oven range. We have a double oven here, so very nice. And then our stainless steel microwave with a vent. So awesome, awesome, awesome. Can't go wrong with all of those. The sink does have a disposal. We'll come back and address the laundry room, and this door actually leads to the garage. But we're gonna go check out all the bedrooms and that stuff, and then we'll come and check out the laundry room, the garage, and head out into the backyard. But here's kind of the hallway. And the first room we're gonna go into is actually the primary bedroom here, the master. And as you can see, the ceilings here are vaulted as well. So kind of like the living room, it makes it feel bigger in here than it actually is, just because the ceilings are a little raised. You see we have some kind of molding here along the walls, very, very nice. It's just a very beautiful room in here. Lots of good light. Let me get us in a different corner here. But as you can see, very grand room. And it comes right in here into the master bathroom, which is my favorite part about the home. As you can see here, we have our tub shower set up. And then we have Jack and Jill closets, which is very nice. You have a, couples closets here with good space. Automatic lights in here. So when you open it, the lights turn on. And so very good space there in the closets. You'll see here, you do have a privacy toilet and the ability to close it off. So very, very nice there. And then turn us around here and you'll see, to complement those closets, we have the couple sinks here, the Jack and Jill sink. And it's very nice. Have an area for, to put on like makeup, scoot up a chair, put on your makeup here, along the mirror, things of that nature. So very, very cool. And you'll see over here, we have more cabinet space. So very good sized bathroom. Like I mentioned, my favorite part about the home, it gives options for couples, each has their own closet and that sort of thing. So we're gonna move on down this way. This is the middle bedroom, or bedroom kind of number 2. As you see, very generic bedroom here, but really actually a good size, good light from that window. And you see there a good sized closet. So you'll notice that a lot of the paint is fresh. And before we check out that third bedroom, we're gonna check out this second bathroom here, the hall bathroom. As you can see, kind of same setup as the master bathroom as far as the vanity goes. Just a regular sink there, standard light fixture, exhaust fan and everything. As you see here, the tub is essentially one big piece, and it's very, very nice. I love these, they flow really well. And so let's turn around here and you'll see kind of a private area here for the toilet as well. So good cabinet space in here. Just a very nice bathroom here. So let's go check out third bedroom here. As you can see, this one is about the same size as the other bedroom, the middle bedroom. Pretty much the only difference is the ceilings are raised in here. So it seems like this room is actually bigger, but it's not. So very good space in here. Good light from the windows here. And as you can see there, closet space here. So the closet space is a little bit smaller and more vertical, or I should say horizontal than vertical in this closet. But still good space to store stuff. So get a view here, kind of what it looks like. But a very beautiful home here. So let's go check out the laundry room and the garage, and we'll check out the backyard last. If you noticed earlier in the video, washer and dryer is provided here at this home. And so very, very nice. Good cabinet space up there. And actually a pretty good size area. That I'll kind of show us here, but pretty good size area that we can kind of walk around in for the laundry room, so it's not like crammed in here and stuff. Here is the garage space here. As you can see, good size garage, electronic here, so we will provide a remote. And as you can see, good space in here. I would definitely say two car garage here. So very, very nice. All right, let's go check out the backyard. Backyard is a great space. Lots of shade, and you'll notice when we go out here, the grass is pretty much covered in shade. You'll notice here too, nice back porch area with a fan, nice and covered. You know, if you want to come out here on a rainy day and sit out and watch it, you can. So very, very nice. And then here is the backyard. As you can see, very good space. Like I was mentioning just a second ago, you can see where the sun is shining through, and these trees aren't even full of leaves. So just imagine when the trees are full of leaves, you'll have plenty of shade out here. So it'll be really, really nice. Here's kind of the back of the home here. As you can see, you know, updated gutters, all that sort of thing on this home. So very, very nice. Again, my name is John with Greenlight Property Management, and we're here at 5916 Hilltop Drive in Watauga, Texas. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,347 square foot. Hope you liked the video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.